Today we will discuss the top free apps for drafting within AutoCAD. The first one we'll have a look at is the Gridline app. With the Gridline add-in, found in the Add-ins tab within the ribbon, you can automatically create grids with labels. Specify the line extension length, label indicator, label frame dimensions, and label height. Choose between alphabetical or numeric, as well as if we want the labels to be at the start or end, or both. Gridline has easy to follow command line prompts to quickly get your grid system set up. Make note of where you place your points when snapping to a grid, as this will dictate how the grids are placed. These are created as separate entities, so if you need to adjust for whatever reason, it's easy to do so. With the multiple offset add-in, we can offset an object instantly with different distances in a single click, instead of calling the offset command multiple times. Bring up the command with the shortcut MOF, or from within the Add-ins tab within the ribbon. You'll no longer need to launch the offset command multiple times. Instead, you can easily enter the multiple distances before selecting 2D objects. Choose which layer you want it to go on from the get-go, specify whether you want the offset to be internal or external, as well as selecting between one object or multiple objects. With the level set add-in, we can quickly create elevation annotations. Specify the base point for AutoCAD to start calculating from, and let it measure the vertical distances from the original point. Easily calculate the measured value through a level marker. Found within the Add-ins tab in the ribbon, we have multiple tools within the level set add-in to work with. Specify how you want the lines, symbols, leaders, text, and units to look within your annotations. Specify the base point and follow the command prompts. Quickly adjust the properties of the levels if they do not suit, as well as add in custom blocks if necessary. This is now smart data, so as we move the levels, they recalculate accordingly. We can also move the leader lines to suit if we need to. Visit apps.autodesk.com or type in the hyperlinks below to quickly get to the appropriate page.